Hi, how are you all? Today, let's make chicken ghee roast in my style. This is good for rice, flavored rice, roti, and starter too. Now, let's see the preparation process. Cut and wash chicken pieces twice. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon of oil, ginger garlic paste. Mix it all together and keep it in a fridge for an hour. And let's keep onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, red chillies, and little tamarind. Soak both of them. Now heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and all the marinated chicken and stir them well until they're golden color. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix well until raw smell is gone. Now add green chilies, chopped onions, curry leaves, and fry them all together. Now add chopped tomatoes, add salt and mix it. While it cooks, let's prepare the authentic chicken masala. Dry coconut powder, roasted almond and cashew. Add into a mixer jar and then soaked dry chilies and little bit tamarind. Chili powder, this is optional. Crystal salt, 1 spoon. Turmeric powder, garam masala, 2 spoons. And add water and grind it together and make into a coarse paste. Now masala is ready. Let's wait until water from onion and tomato is gone and now add masala paste. Add melted butter. Mix it well all together and fry until it turns into golden color. Add curry leaves, coriander, squeeze lemon. Add ghee if you want, and it is optional, and now it is ready to serve. It looks so yummy. You also try this recipe and comment how it tastes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.